It's a contest for the Speaker's post. NDA's Om Birla versus India Bloc's K. Suresh. For the first time in decades, an election for the Speaker's chair after the Treasury benches and opposition failed to arrive at a consensus.
ऑपोजिशन, पूरी ऑपोजिशन ने कहा है, हमने सब के सब से बात की है, पूरे ऑपोजिशन ने कहा है कि हम स्पीकर को सपोर्ट करेंगे, मगर कन्वेंशन ये है कि डेप्यूटी स्पीकर ऑपोजिशन को मिलना चाहिए।
जब हम कंसेंसस की बात करते हैं तो फिर उसमें कंडीशन लगाना ठीक नहीं है। स्पीकर का पद हम कंसेंसस करके पहले बनाया जाए, फिर डिप्टी स्पीकर का पद को आगे हम जरूर बात करेंगे, ये भी हमारे तरफ से हमने आश्वासन दिया था।
जब बालू जी और वेणुगोपाल जी से बात हुई, उसमें जिस प्रकार से एक पुरानी मानसिकता है कि हम डिक्टेट करेंगे टर्म्स को, उस मानसिकता को फिर से दिखाया गया कि नहीं, शर्त है कि पहले लोकसभा का उपाध्यक्ष कौन होगा वो पहले तय करें, फिर अध्यक्ष के लिए समर्थन मिलेगा।
The inaugural session of the 18th Lok Sabha has been about confrontation rather than consensus building. Clearly, for the first time, the Speaker's post is seeing a contest after many decades. The convention in the coalition era has been to give the opposition the Deputy Speaker's post to ensure a balance in Parliament.
राहुल गांधी जी ने कहा कि खड़गे जी ने
ऐसे जहाँ तक खड़गे जी का प्रश्न है, एक सीनियर लीडर हैं, मैं उनका सम्मान करता हूँ। कल से लेकर आज तक उनसे 3 बार हमारी बात हुई है।
The day began with the BJP seeking consensus over the reappointment of Om Birla as the Lok Sabha Speaker. Defence Minister Rajnath Singh and Parliamentary Affairs Minister Kiren Rijiju held talks with the India bloc leaders. The NDA was told consensus depended on the opposition getting the Deputy Speaker's post.
They are saying that after the election, the speaker election, we have to discuss the Deputy Speaker.
यूपीए ने तो दोनों बार दिया था डिप्टी स्पीकर, एक बार करिया मुंडा थे, एक बार अटवाल साहब थे, मुझे याद है।
We followed all the conventions when we came to power, but even Vajpayee time also they followed the convention. But Narendra Modi government came to power, they are not following convention. They are overlooking all the convention, Lok Sabha convention.
The opposition, bitten by its experience of the 17th Lok Sabha, refused to back the NDA Speaker nominee. Remember, the 17th Lok Sabha did not have a Deputy Speaker for all of 5 years. Om Birla, a 3-term MP from Kota in Rajasthan, is likely to win with a clear majority. But an election for a bipartisan post like the Speaker shows complete distrust between the two sides. The opposition concern is also the TMC's stand.
That whether I was communicated or not, I said no. Nobody from Congress party had any talk with me so long the nominations process was alive.
But will you support Mr. K. Suresh?
No, it's the party decision. I cannot tell myself alone.
This is Modi 3.0's first big test. A number more than the strength of the NDA will show good floor management. On the other side, an aggressive opposition is messaging that they aren't ready to give an elbow room to the government. With Vasudha Venugopal and Sunil Prabhu in New Delhi, this is Maria Shakir.